In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Snapchat call history. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Once you're in your profile, head to the top right corner and tap the gear icon. Now, scroll down until you find the privacy controls section. In this section, tap on My Data. At this point, Snapchat may ask you to log in again to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you'll see a range of options to export your Snapchat data. Make sure the chat history is selected along with any other information you're interested in. After that, click Next. Here, you can choose the date range for your export, whether it's the last week, month, year, or all time. Once you've made your selection, tap on Submit. Once you've received the email, open Snapchat, go to Settings, and return to My Data. Look for the See Exports option and click on it. When the pop-up appears, tap Download. Go back to your phone's home screen and open the Files app. In your Downloads folder, you should see a zip file containing your Snapchat data. Tap on it to extract the file. Inside the extracted folder, look for the HTML file. You'll be able to find the section labeled Talk History here. You'll be able to see all your call history details if you have any. For my case, I haven't made any call using Snapchat yet, so I got none. And there you have it. That's how you can view your Snapchat call history.